Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video we're gonna learn about Square invoicing tutorial, manage payments, accounts, and invoices with Square. So as you can see, we're currently on the Square Invoices website as of the moment right now. And for you to be able to get here onto this page as well, just simply search onto your local browser and search squareup.com. So you could also search for Square Invoices and you should get redirected onto this page. So if you're not familiar onto this website, so Square Invoice is an online invoicing platform provided by Square. So this is actually a financial service and payment processing company. So it actually helps businesses create and send professional invoices to clients, facilitating the payment process. So as you can see, you could send in seconds, track from anywhere. You could also get paid faster by accepting payments 24/7. You could manage your business from one place and you could save more time by streamlining and organizing your work. So you could see all their features in here since they offer a lot of features that you need to run your business from one place. So you have gone ahead and win more work if you have this one. So you could actually make the right impression with new and existing customers as you secure new work in here. So you could also save more time, stand out with customization since they provide custom layouts and custom invoice fields, stay more organized, build customer relationship since you could deliver a seamless customer experience that keeps them coming back to your business. You could also manage cash flow easily and transfer money at the speed of your businesses, and you can integrate this with other apps. So as you can see, here are some of the apps that you could integrate in here so that it would help you to run your business. So we have here QuickBooks, Xero, FreshBooks, Bench, PandaDoc, and many more. So more tools for saving time and money as well, since Square in here has an entire suite of smart tools designed to support all your business needs. So you could also pick the best plan for your business for this one. So as you can see here, onto Square Invoices, we could actually have the free plan. So there are no monthly fees for this, and everything you need to get paid faster. You could actually send unlimited invoices, estimate contracts, and more for free. So here are some of its inclusion: unlimited invoicing, estimates and contracts, unlimited users, customers, access from anywhere, send via email, SMS, or by manually sharing a link, and it also accepts payments 24/7. So here are some of its processing rates. But if you want to go ahead and use Square Invoices fullest potential, you could actually upgrade to its plus version. So that is $20 per month, and this is for growing businesses that want to streamline work and billing needs with advanced and time-saving features. So there is actually a 30-day free trial for that. And onto this, it includes everything that it has on the free plan, but it also offer more, like offer options with multi-package estimates, auto-convert accepted estimates to invoices, create milestone-based payment schedules, create and reuse custom invoice templates, custom fields, organize files, share files, track open and completed projects, select custom invoice, edit, and add custom fields to contracts. So here are some of its processing rates, and here onto their website, you could also compare the different plans in here so that you could choose onto which one you prefer. Now to get started onto using Invoices or Square Invoices in here, let's go ahead and create an account. Now here onto their website, there is a get started button. So we'll go ahead and click onto that to get started. Now to set up an account, you need to enter your email in here, confirm your email again, create a password, and your locale. So you need to agree also to Square's terms and privacy policy and e-sign consent. So this site is protected by CAPTCHA Enterprise and by the Google privacy policy, and terms of service are applied. So for you to be able to go ahead and sign up, just complete this and click on to continue and follow the on-screen prompts. But if you have a Square account already, just simply click on to sign in here, type in your details to proceed. Now right after you have filled out the information onto the sign up page, it will gonna go ahead and ask you to make sure that you know exactly how Square can meet your business unique needs. So you'll just need to fill out the information in here so that they could provide specific information about how Square can work for your business. So you'll just need to type in here or select what type of business is it, business category, do you currently accept credit or debit cards, business name, the business contract, address, city, and its postal code, and then you'll just need to click on to continue. Now, once you're all set, what you need to do right after is just log in. Now, once you're already completely logged in, so this is what SquareUp dashboards look like. So since we're just starting out, there is a setting up option in here that you could see that you could also use as a guide to finish your account. So we have here the account, wherein you could go ahead and follow in here. To set up your account, you need to customize receipt, set up your taxes, add an allocation, and explore the software. So onto the other part in here, we also have the Square point of sale, and for you to be able to set up your account, you'll just need to explore and purchase hardware and device kits for your business, and also request a link to download the Square POS app on your iOS or Android devices. So those are the things that will get you started up onto your account. Now scrolling down further, this is what you should be able to see. You should be able to see your net sales, gross sales, and the sales of your business. We could also see the customers in here. You could choose the date, and also we could view the total customers returning, the average, and some of its feedback. We could also see the payment type, all of the items in here that are on sale onto your business. We could see it in here. And then also you could add in or pick your theme and start taking online orders in minutes. So you could preview your site in here and just click on the setup items to add in the items that you want to sell. So scrolling down further, you could also see a sales comparison by category here once you set up the categories onto your account. Now here onto the left side, what you could see are the quick access. So we have the home button in here. So this is actually the home already. We could also head onto reports if you click onto this one in here. Also, we could see the transactions of your account. So as you can see, we're currently onto the reports right now. We could see the sales summaries in here, the trends, payment methods, discounts, and many more. So since we're just starting out, we don't have a transaction as of the moment right now. Now going back, we also have the items in here. So we should be able to click onto this so that you should be able to see all of the items that are listed onto your account. So this is the part in here wherein you could go ahead and try to manage them. Since we have them on a library, we also have the channel listing, service library, image library, modifiers, categories, discounts, options, units, custom attributes, and its settings. So you'll just need to create an item, and also you could import them. We also have in here the customers, so that you could also view in here the different customers that we've gone ahead and seen already onto our homepage. So onto this part, this is more like the directory of your customers. So this is the customers in one place. You could search, sort, filter, and group your customers, and you could also have the direct messaging in here. So you could go ahead and enable instant profiles as well in here, so that when a customer makes a transaction, it would show in here. So as you can see, there are a lot of things to do. You could add to your list here. You could also profile the customer's activity and smart grouping in here. So going back here onto the left side, so you should be able to see also the all products in here. We have customers, items and orders, online payments, reporting, and settings. So you could click onto more from Square in here to view more tools in here that could connect every side of your business. So there are a lot of things that you could go ahead and try to do using this one in here. So some of this are the items and orders, the online, also the payments. So here onto the upper part of SquareUp, what we could see in here is a search bar. So you could use the search bar to search for content such as item names or customer names. We also have the notification bar in here, so that it would be easier for you to sort out in here or view the different notification of your business, and also this one in here, or the setup guide to finish setting up your business. So you could also click onto this icon in here to view the support center of Square if you have more clarification. And that's just basically it onto how to use Square Invoicing to manage your payments, accounts, and invoices in one website. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to your next video.